Hello guys, welcome to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to make these beautiful crochet flower bouquet. If you guys are new to our channel, please do subscribe as we are going to share more art and craft videos on it. These are the tools / material we're gonna use. A 12 number crochet hook, aluminium wire and some woolen yarn. First, we are going to start with petals. For petals, we are going to make 9 chain crochet. After that, 3 short crochet, 3 double crochet and then 3 short crochet. We are going to repeat this last step on the other side of the chain also. Afterwards, again we are going to make 9 single crochet over the last row and then 2 chain crochet and 9 single crochet over the other side also. To make it sturdy, we have added a wire on the last chain. Here we are done with the petals and we have made it a total of 13 petals for this particular flower. Now we are going to work on the flower head. For flower head we are going to make a magic ring. For magic ring, first we are going to make 8 single crochet. After we are done with the 8 single crochet, we are going to add on 16 single crochet over the previous row. In total, we are going to make 4 lines of 16 single crochet over the 8 single crochet row. This will help us to give a cap-like structure for our flower head. This is how our flower head will look like. Now we are going to make the base of the flower. For that also we are going to make a magic ring. In the first row we are going to make 8 double crochet. After that in the second row we are going to make 16 single crochet and in third we are going to make 24 single crochet. We will do the same for the fourth line also, that is 24 single crochet. After that, from the 5th line onward, we're gonna add on the sepals. For that, make 3 single crochet, then 6 chain crochet and 6 double crochet over the 3 single chain crochet, and repeat it for 8 times to make 8 sepals in the base. This is how our base gonna look. Now coming towards the last part of the flower, we're gonna make the leaves. For making leaves, first we're gonna make 12 chain crochet, and after that 12 single crochet either side of the leaves, means 24 single crochet in total. After that, for the second row, we're gonna make 4 short crochet, 4 double crochet and 4 short crochet and 2 chain for the pointed leaves. Now we are done with all the parts of the flower. Now we're gonna assemble them. For making the stem, what we have done is we have wrapped the yarn around the aluminum wire, then secured it with some glue. Now we're gonna stitch all the petals over the base of the flower. You can either stitch it or you can also use hot glue gun to secure them. this is how our flower will look like.